Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make checklist template to have a default option. Okay, we see that now when we create a new checklist template here, we do not have the default option here. This is because there are two ways of creating checklist templates. The first way is a global one and the second is a project level one. So when you go to administration, that is onto the top right corner, and then go to plugins, and afterward you click on the checklist configure. Here are the checklist templates that are globally created by the global checklists menu and configuration options. So when you click the new checklist template here, you see that there is no default option here. Alright, so the way to make it appear is to just go to a specific project and then create a checklist template there for this specific project. So we go to projects here and then select one. Okay, we are now to the Agile plugin demo project, and then these are the settings of the Agile plugin demo project. So the settings of this project, we here have also checklist template menu, and this is project level checklist templates. So we click on new checklist template here, and now we see that default option is now appearing for us. Okay, so again, to say, you have to click on a specific project and then create a template there into the settings of this project, and then the default option is going to appear for you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thanks again, and bye bye.